In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use an elastic block storage device with your Windows-based instances. Now, right now, I have a EBS volume created from a snapshot, and the snapshots that you'll be using in your assignments will be shared that week as part of the weekly announcement. I created a volume, and right now it is marked as available. I'm going to take this volume and attach it to my Windows server. I currently have a Windows server running, and this Windows server happens to be running in the US East 1B zone. In order to use an EBS volume with a running instance, it must also be within the same zone. So as you see here, I have two different snapshots. One is associated with East 1C and the other with East 1B. I can attach this volume to my running instance that is in the East 1B availability zone. If I switch to my Windows instance, you will see that I only have one hard drive currently connected. If I start up the server manager and go to Storage Disk Management, and in this case I'll need to refresh or perhaps rescan the disks, or maybe it's not attached yet. If I return back to the EBS volumes page and refresh, you'll see that it says it is still attaching. So it's in use, but it's not ready yet. I can confirm that it is now attached, and switching back to the remote desktop, you'll see now that under the server manager there is a new disk that has appeared, and it is already marked online. If your disk does not automatically show up, you can always right click and choose refresh. And here, if it does not show up as online, you can mark it online. When you're done using the disk and you want to detach it from the server, it's best to go in and manually mark it as offline and then detach it using the EC2 control panel. Once this disk is marked online, it will appear as another hard drive for you to use. You can use this hard drive in any way that you would use any normal hard drive. The upside is, however, that you can store things on this hard drive, detach it from the running server instance, start a new instance running completely different software, reattach the drive, and any of the information that you've stored on it will be available to that other server instance.